You're the only person that I know that could answer this question truthfully. Okay? You've worked with Yellow Man, you've worked with Beenie Man. Who is the king of the dancehall?
No, well, listen me. Why? You see, being a man here is now. But to be honest, what I see Yellow Man do, I don't see Beenie Man and no other artist in this history right now do it. Not even Shabba them. Because Yellow Man sold out Wellman Stadium in England 2 nights on a straight. Sold out Wellman Stadium. People just line up to come see this Kadundus. And me see a thing happen in New York City, down Manhattan. Let me take my one eye and see. Right on the waterfront down Manhattan over there. And me see people like rice grain come see Yellow Man. Well, me not gonna say, I remember this, what I'm trying to tell you about. We're talking about one artist, The young artist, I think, go near that it would be like a Shabba, maybe. And I say, Bojo do it what day when Bojo come from prison. Can't take it away from him in a national stadium. That was the big one. That is the one. But me see Yellow Man full Wellman Stadium 2 nights for 1 night, couldn't hold the people and then come out the following night and full again.
That's great.
One artist. So in the days of that until now, I want to say him reign over Yellow and Beenie Man at this time. But in his time, he really was the king. So the king of dance for me in my area would be Yellow Man. But for now, you see, we have to say, Beenie Man is a great actor. He's a wonderful actor. And he have some great song to what entertain people. And, he make a lot of hit songs. So now, I see if you say, if we run a survey, I say, out of Beenie Man and the friends and Cartel, then why is the Cartel are the king then?
Yeah.
At this time here right now, because I know him there prison, but more Beenie Man. You understand what I'm saying? So, but in Beenie Man time, which is now, you have to give him prop, but I still rate Yellow Man as one of the greatest artists that Jamaica bring. And I have to give him that credit because none of them don't do it as one artist. I don't know, there might be Beenie Man, but him pull crowd all over the world. But what I'm saying, in a Yellow Man time, as, just come in and can full stadium, him alone, that's good. We're not talking about other artists, we're talking about people just come listen to just try to see Yellow Man. For that Dundus color, Yellow Man is a DJ, my son, and when we go out dance, a police mafia have to guard him for going there. Yeah, man.
That's seriously what?
I want to blow when Yellow. Hey, why you believe me? And me make yeses no Yellow Man, And me carry Yellow Man at St. Thomas, And my son Yellow Man go up on St. Thomas, and me have to tell. And me have to tell Yellow Man, say, boy, Yellow Man go and work with Yeses because what? Yeses never on a DJ. But me have sassafras and trees. And Yellow Man did that to them. Them couldn't for people that want to hear them. Everybody wants to Yellow Man. When Yellow Man come and dance, a police me have used to escort him and escort me. People like rice grain where the man go. No other artists not get them accolade. The young artists must come near the Shabba.
Yeah.
But him still not get the accolade like what Beenie, like what Yellow get. Yellow Man, when Yellow Man in here, Yellow Man. Anywhere him go, anywhere him a go, remember me tell you, please come just to come see the Dundus color.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.